So the Smart Centre is a new facility at Solent University which is part of and the home of the South Coast Institute of Technology. We were given a grant from the Department for Education in 2023 to develop our facilities to inspire people to come into the industries of maritime, engineering and digital. The South Coast Institute of Technology is a collaboration of colleges, universities and employers working together to build talent pipelines into high demand careers. We know that there are key industries within the region which are struggling to grow and evolve because we can't get enough skilled labour into that industry. So what we're doing is we're identifying what those skilled jobs are. We're then reverse engineering that, so that we make sure that the colleges and the universities have the courses in place to train those students into those jobs. We also work with the schools to promote those careers because we found that there is a real ignorance around what the jobs are and how to get into those. So by working with the youngsters, by working with their parents and the teachers, we're making sure that the people that live in our community know where the opportunities are and what the stepping stones are into a really exciting job at the end of it. Solent University is the lead partner of the South Coast Institute of Technology, and what we're trying to do is build those pipelines so that there's a seamless transition through school into college into university. Now that means that we do knowledge exchange with the colleges, we do outreach work with the schools, and we try to make sure that people can see the horizon of those jobs. They can see beyond the course that they're studying right now. So there's a lot of partnership work involved with this and making sure that we're all singing from the same hymn sheet. We had the Princess Royal come in to the university to open us officially as a new centre. And it's been so exciting. I think it's really given staff and students that motivation to know that we're doing a good job here. So now that we've launched the facilities, to be honest, that's only the start of the journey. We've got a lot of work to make sure that we inspire the next generation to come into these industries, and we help the community that we serve to grow and prosper.